Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today we have an app. This app can help you build a frame by frame video wherein you can add different frames, like you can click a image from time to time of a frame and you can create a movie of it. So before we start, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and also like the video. So let's start. So the name of the app is called as Stop Motion Studio. So basically this app helps you to click images, but for this you need to have a stable camera of your mobile. You need to fix it and you need to fix images from time to time. You need to make the changes in the frames. So let's go to the mobile screen and explore what you can do and what you have to make a video and click the images from frame to frame. So let's start. So here's the app guys, Stop Motion Studio. I believe you are able to see it. So I've already downloaded the app. So let's just open the app. So it opens in landscape view. You need to operate it in landscape view. So it has some of the already available motion. So let's just see this. So this is how you can add frame by frame images and you can create the video. You have an option to make a complete timeline. So yes, the video is ended. So it is 30 second, a small video. So let's just stop and let's just go back. So you can edit this video as well. So this is one of the video what I have created. So this is the video. This is the video created by me. So I've created the same spot where I'm shooting. So let's see how we can create this kind of videos. So you can create a new movie from here. Then you need to click images. So let me just get my hand out of this. So you can click images from your camera. You need to click images. So likewise you need to click on your camera and your camera app setting gets opened. You can also have an option, you can have a grid. You have an option to reduce the exposure or increase the exposure. You also have an option of timer. So you have option till like 90 seconds timer. And you have some of the settings like green screen, remote control. But all these things comes in Pro version. You have option to switch to front camera. You also have option to switch to wide angle camera as well. So I'm using iPhone 11, so this has basically wide angle as well. So this is wide angle and this is the regular angle. So this is how you can click image. You can click multiple images and then those all images are added in the timeline. So as you can see that there's a motion because we have one only image, one in same angle, so you can't see any motion. And then you have an option to add a voice. So you can record the audio as well. So you can record the audio from here. So yes, the audio has been recorded and just stop. So you can play. Yes, the sound was pretty slow, so I believe you won't be able to hear it in the camera. So the similar way you can record the sound and you can edit the frame. So here you have option to like add audio, insert camera frame, select, cut, copy, delete, erase. You have many options for each and every frame. And then you have option of setting wherein you can choose different filters Like this is one of the filter, like it gives filter, like in the starting you have a black screen, it opens from the black screen, closes at the black screen. Similarly, you have a duration of each frame, you can change duration of each frame. You have different fades. So like at the start of the frame you will see the fade from one side, double side, left side, right side. Then you have different aspects ratio, you have different backgrounds, and you have the video quality as well. And then you have different options at the end of the video. So you can create a similar video like I have created. You just need to download this app. You can create a video similar to this just by clicking images in an appropriate manner and assigning them properly. And then we have an option of exporting the media as well. So you just need to select a specific media and you can export the media like in movie, GIF, images, and projects and flipbook. So similar way, and you also have option to render the movie, and here's the movie has been rendered, and this is how it looks. So yes, that was it for today's app. That was it for the app of Stop Motion Studio. Let me just show you the costing. So if you go for costing, so this is a pretty cheap app. It costs you $399 for lifetime access, and it has many features like you can import images from your gallery, you can import sound effects, you can paint, you can create a green screen as well, and you can use a remote camera, and also you can export the video in 4K Ultra HD. And there are many more features. So yes, go download the app and let me know how you feel, how's the app. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.